Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are here again to do our normal weekly forecast on Euro USD. Based on a past week review, there was no analysis. I didn't post last week, so for the last 2 weeks, price did its thing, but last week, I was too busy. So on Monday, I was supposed to post something on Monday morning, but I couldn't post it. So let's do this here. As you see what price is showing us. Let's just move to daily time frame so that you guys should see what I'm seeing in the market. I hope you guys, as you can notice here, we are in an uptrend on this daily time frame. We are moving up, so we are anticipating to break here based on the daily time frame direction. So on 4 hours, um, on 4 hours, 4 hours time frame. As you can see here, this low created this high. This low created this high. You see, but this low was supposed to be respected, but price took it out and mitigated this demand zone. Then went back for a pullback. Then took this low out. Then it's going back for a pullback again. So in the normal SMC stuff, slugs, you can see that this is a change of reversal. But who knows? Um, Maybe price is trying to do what? To take this liquidity out. Because this is a change of market 4 hours direction. So maybe price is trying to take this all liquidity out, this out, then mitigate something here based on this bigger time frame picture. Yeah. So maybe this is a QM. Let's mark it. This is a QM. This is a QM. Because this low was supposed to be respected and gets taken out. So price took it out. Yeah. Then came back to take this low out again. So this is just showing us that, man, this is a bearish. We are going to be bearish. So the only thing I would advise anybody to be looking out for this coming week is extra confirmation for sales. Just not just sales, but extra conservative trades, sell trades. That's what I'm expecting from price this coming week. But currently, I'm expecting price to do what? To take all these things out. Yeah, I'll still clean these dots. These dots, I'll still clean it. To take all these stuffs out, then do what? Um, come somewhere, yeah, somewhere. This is my higher time frame anticipation, and come somewhere before doing what? Moving up again. But this coming week, if you all know what my trading style and chart pattern was, I said liquidity sweep and break of structure. As you can see here, there is this sweep. This, let's say this is the range that we are in. This high and this low. Yeah, this high and this low. I'm just what I'm expecting from here. I'm trying. I'll wait for a sell from here, and that's only going to be once I see a confirmation sell from there, because this is a strong supply zone. This zone you see here, this is a strong supply zone, because I'll take this thing as inducement that fed into this zone. This is a strong supply zone. So this is a liquidity taken out before it took this that time frame structure, before taking this low out. Is external range liquidity out. So I'm expecting this supply zone to hold. The only thing you have to do here is to wait for your confirmation entry, depending on how you confirm your trades. A lot of people use normal confirmation entry. Then me, I have my own confirmation entry, normal liquidity sweep and break of structure, then RTO. So wait for your confirmation entry. Or maybe what if we eventually get this high taken out? If we get this high taken out, like this market take this high out. If market did not, if markets violate this supply zone, then this side gets taken out eventually, then I'll be expecting price to pull a little bit back, then continue its bullish of a thing. So the main thing here is to do what is to look for a proper confirmation entries, because that's the only advisable things to do. I don't know what's making this kind of noise. Yeah, I don't know what's the problem. Who's making that kind of noise? But let's just continue. Um, as you all see what I'm anticipating, no matter what, the main thing is to do what I'm expecting price to do something like this. Take this, just mitigate that zone, then continue is, and this for higher time frame anticipation. This is not just lower time frame anticipation. As you see this trend line liquidity, so I'm expecting this price to do what? Come down. If price gets to respect this supply zone, I'm expecting it to come down to this demand zone, then before start going what? Going up again. So for now, just stay focused on your trading style. The main thing is to know your directional bias. That's all. So this is the directional bias I know. So once you identify your directional bias, then start waiting for entry criteria. We have a lot of entry criteria, but me, I'm only using one. Yeah, and I have back tested and tested it for several times. So I'm using only one entry criteria. Even though I noticed I didn't trade last week. You know what happened the other week? You know, still messing a lot of up on my psychology, but I'm still managing to get myself back. Um, I didn't trade, but I noticed market presented a lot of opportunity based on my entry criteria edge. Once I know my directional bias, then I'll wait for that my entry criteria to come to me. Then I pull the trigger. So the main thing here is to wait for your entry criteria. Just wait for it. Stay focused and wait for it. If possible, self you take extreme conservative trades only. Don't just do a one-time confirmation and then enter trades. Just stay focused in taking extreme conservative trades. That's the most important thing. The most important thing is to protect your capital. That's risk management. So just forget about the high percentage or high probability or high risk to reward that you'll be getting that week. Just stay focused in protecting your capital. Then the other stuff will take care of himself. So yeah, I think we are done here. I will be dropping my Telegram link below in the description. I also want to tell you guys that I started learning new stuff, web design, graphic designing. So I just started learning it. I have a lot of stuff on my stuff to learn. Then maybe eventually, if I manage to get a profit account or for some funds to start trading again, then I will embark on the journey again. But for now, I'm learning new stuff and showing up in the market. Just demo trading. There is this competition that will be starting on this Monday, so I'll be joining the competition. That's two competition I'll be joining. So let's see how the stuff goes, man. The main thing is to follow your watch, your trading plan. That's the most important thing. So thank you guys, and I want you guys to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Like this and drop your comments on the comment section. And thank you guys for watching. I wish you all a very good, wonderful trading week ahead. God bless you all.